Hey, it's Brian with Kentucky Typer. I'm working on a Royal portable typewriter today. This is actually a Royal Arrow, and I needed to increase the tension on the mainspring. I used to do this the hard way, and that was by unhooking the drawband and then winding this mainspring by hand and then reconnecting the drawband when I was finished. But there's an easier way, and that's just by removing this back body panel. There's 4 screws there that come out, 2 on each end. It gives you access to the back of this mainspring. And all you really have to do is take a small screwdriver like this guy, and he will slide right in there under the carriage rail into the mainspring tension adjusting screw. And as you turn that guy to the right, you're actually increasing the tension on that spring. So it's a real easy way to do it. And I thought, well, while I'm doing this, I'll just do a kind of a quick down and dirty video so you can see what I'm talking about. I hope that's helpful. Thanks.